For your help, I place all the product links in the description. Fishing enthusiasts understand the importance of having the right gear for a successful and enjoyable experience. The GHOTDA casting spinning fishing rod and reel combo set offers an exceptional blend of durability, functionality, and performance, making it a top choice for both novice and seasoned anglers alike. This versatile combo set, featuring a strong magnetic brake baitcasting reel, is designed to elevate your freshwater fishing adventures. Premium build quality and durability. The rod is constructed from high-density carbon fiber, which provides both strength and sensitivity. Carbon fiber rods are known for their lightweight feel and incredible durability, allowing anglers to cast effortlessly and feel every bite with precision. This ensures that the rod can handle a variety of fish species, from small panfish to larger baser pike. The reel, on the other hand, is engineered with robust materials that ensure longevity. It features a metal spool and a high-strength aluminum alloy handle that provides a solid grip. The reel's frame is corrosion-resistant, making it suitable for long-term use in freshwater environments. Strong magnetic brake baitcasting reel. At the heart of this combo set is the baitcasting reel, which is equipped with a strong magnetic brake system. This braking system is crucial for managing the spool's speed and preventing backlash during casting. Anglers who use baitcasting reels know that controlling the spool's speed is essential for achieving long, accurate casts, and the GHOTDA reel excels in this regard. The magnetic brake system provides an adjustable braking force, allowing anglers to fine-tune their casting according to the weight of their lure and the wind conditions. This results in fewer tangles and more time spent fishing. The reel also boasts a smooth drag system, which is vital when fighting strong fish. The drag provides consistent pressure, allowing you to reel in your catch without the risk of line breakage. Versatility for different fishing techniques. Whether you prefer casting or spinning, this combo set has you covered. The GHOTDA fishing rod and reel combo set is designed to accommodate both casting and spinning techniques, giving anglers the flexibility to switch between the two, based on their preference or the fishing conditions. This versatility is a key advantage, as it allows you to adapt to different scenarios without needing multiple setups. The rod's ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, even during long fishing sessions. The grip is made from high-quality 𝐕𝐈𝐒 material, which is both comfortable and slip-resistant. This ensures that your hands stay comfortable and secure, even when wet. Conclusion. With its strong magnetic brake baitcasting reel, high-quality carbon fiber rod, and ergonomic design, it is perfect for anglers looking to enhance their freshwater fishing experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this combo set provides everything you need for a successful day on the water.